Write the equation of the line shown below. Be sure to use the correct variable. That's not a big deal. The equation, again, will be in the form y equals mx plus b. And what is the slope of this line? Well, we simply need to choose 2 points. So when finding the slope, we have rise over run. And this one, as it turns out, has no rise. But the run between the 2 points we have there is 4. It doesn't matter. This slope is still 0. So I will go back and replace m with 0. The next thing we need to do is find the y-intercept, which on this one we simply just need to look at the graph. It is right here, okay? So we'll go into the equation and we will replace b with a -5. Now that is going to change that plus. So we'll go ahead and make that a -5 there. And again, as with the previous example, some of you may not like that. You may prefer to see it as y is just -5. Whether the homework wants you to write it like this or not, I don't know. Go ahead and try it and see what you find, but on the tests, I don't care which way you write it. This one tells us explicitly what the slope is, and this one doesn't necessarily, but with little experience you would notice that right away though too.